back to Passlite Insight Academy. Today we have one of the challenges questions on indices and logarithm. Because anything raised to power is called indices. So indices raised power of logarithm, as you can see it on the board. So we have solved these questions. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So let's see. Once solve these questions, law of indices, and we have something like this: 2 log s3 plus 3 log s4. So how can you solve this particular question? You can change it like this. So which change is when you have something like this, it's allowed a log b c. As you can see it on the board, the same thing as c log b a. This and this can be changed. It can be changed. So this and this. So let's solve and see. The same thing here. 3 log, change this 3 here, s2 plus this, you can still leave that way. 3 log s4 is equals to 12. So what next do you have? 3 log s2 plus 3 log s. Your 4 is 2 raised to power 2. Will give you 4 is equals to 12. So also 3 log s2 plus 3, bring this to the back, that is 2 log is equals to 12. So you can see that this and this. So let's make 3 log s2 as a or b, as you can see it now. So let's see. Let's a represent 3 log. Let's use that way. So if a represents 3 log s2, so what do you have here? All this is a plus all this is a, and there is square here. That is a square is equals to 12. So you can solve this. A square plus a is equals to 12. A square plus a minus 12 is equals to 0. So you can solve this by factorization. So how can you solve that? What mention two number that is going to give you 12, and when you add them to, you have plus 1. That is minus 3 plus 4. A square minus 3a plus 4a. Then write this minus 12 is equals to 0. So group this, group this. What is common here? A is common. A minus 3. What is common here? Plus 4 is common. Plus 4 is common. A minus 3 is equals to 0. So if they are common, just pick one. A minus 3, a plus 4 is equals to 0. So a minus 3 is equals to 0, or a plus 4 is equals to 0. So a is equals to 3, or a is equals to minus 4. So let's test now. We've gotten our answer now. So let's see. Our a should represent this. So what is the first a? 3. When a is equals to 3, so 3 is equals to 3 log s2. This one is raised power of 1. 3 cancel 3. So log s2 is equals to 1. So this s is going to the other side. Elimination of logarithm. There's log here, there's no log here. So this s is going to the other side. So it's going to raise power of 1. So 2 is equals to s raised power 1. So s raised power 1 is simple as this. So our s is, so the first answer, your s is 2. So you can also test for minus 4 2 as well if you wish. So when this our s is equals to 2, want to test whether we are correct or not. So let's test. The first one now, since s is 2 now, I want to put it there. 2, s is 2 log 2 3 plus what do you have? A 3 log 2 4. If you can solve this and our answer is 12, we are correct. So let's continue. When you see 2 2, I think when this and this is same, there's one log, the answer is 3. 3 plus 3 log 2. What can be written as 2 raised power 2. So 3 plus 3 log 2. These 2 will come to the back, 2, and there's 1 2 here, 2. So at the end of the day, 3 plus 3 raised to power 2. Log 2 2 is 1. When you press your calculator, log 2 2 is 1. When the base and the index are the same, is equals to 1. So 3 plus 3, 2 times 1, 2. So 3 plus 3 square is 9. So 3 plus 9, you're having 12. So we are correct. Our answer is 2. Satisfy this equation. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to share.